How to add a reference frame in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace by clicking the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the clip you want to work on in the timeline, then right click on the viewer where your video is displayed. You will see an option called Grab Still. Click on that to capture a reference frame from your current clip. Once the still is captured, it will appear in the gallery panel on the left side of the screen. Now, if you want to compare your color grading with the reference frame, simply click on the still in the gallery to load it as your reference. This reference frame stays on the side, so you can easily match colors or maintain consistency throughout your edits. If you want to add notes or organize your stills, you can right click on the still in the gallery and add labels or create albums. This is especially useful when working on larger projects or collaborating with others, helping keep your color grading consistent. Finally, if you want to export your reference frame, right-click the still and choose Export, then save it as a PNG or another image format. And that's it. Now you know how to add a reference frame in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.